Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can transfer your funds, for example, from OKX wallet to exchange. And basically at the top you can choose wallet, so choose it. And from here you're going to choose a cryptocurrency which you want to go ahead and send to your exchange. So let's, for example, choose BNB. Now, you can go ahead and choose the, for example, BNB Smart Chain address. Or Ethereum, it doesn't really matter. You want to go ahead and click send, and you will choose your account at the bottom. You will see my wallet, choose it. You're gonna go ahead and choose the amount. After that, you're gonna click next and send it to your exchange. Now you can also go ahead and click on, for example, receive, and click on withdraw crypto from exchange. So the receive button is at the top right there. Click receive, click withdraw crypto from exchange, and now you will be able to go ahead and withdraw the cryptocurrency from your exchange to your OKX wallet. So there are a few ways how you can do this, and it's pretty simple. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.